Well, everyone calls me ugly.
Oh, don't listen to them. It's just a phase we all go through. You should hear some of the things they called me before the fall. Penny plain, penny dreadful, penny dropping.
Pretty Penny. How could anyone call you names?
Like I said, it's just a phase we all go through.
Excuse me, could you lift your wing?
My mother always warned me to avoid the fishing line that people leave behind.
Mine did too. She used to tell me when we were out swimming. There. Just one more loop around your leg.
Oh, thank you. Oh. I thought I was going to be left behind, and this is no place to spend the winter all alone. Where's your flock?
I don't know. I was separated from my family. The more I look for them, the farther I seem to wander away.
That's dreadful. When was the last time you saw them?
In the spring.
In the spring. You've been lost since the spring. Poor thing, you can't stay here for the wind feel breeze.
No, I'll be all right.
Penny? I know. Come with us. The others won't mind. And then next spring, we can return together, and I'll help you find your family.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Of course you could. Come on, and we'll never catch up.
Oh, Penny, I'd love to. I really would. It's just... well, I can't fly. At least not well enough to go with you.
It doesn't matter if you're not strong enough to keep up with the others. I'll stay back and fly at your pace.
It sounds wonderful. But I can't. I must keep going. I'm sure my mother can't be far away. Maybe when you return again, we can meet up.
I'd like that. Are you sure you'll be okay?
I'm sure.